Welcome to this beautiful and modern townhome within Williamstown here in Airdrie. This property has a ton of features and upgrades that's guaranteed to impress the next owner. Just to mention a few, we're situated in one of the best locations in the complex with a west rear balcony onto an open field and no rear neighbors. We've got 9-foot ceilings, central air conditioning, inline filtration and water softener, 4-piece ensuite with dual sinks. We've got a heated double garage with epoxy floors and more. Come take a look.